My viewers and subscribers, I'm there with a public commuter. And I try to find out what the new traffic act, how it impact the public.
Fitness then say 40,000 for
it affect the whole away.
Yeah. Go on.
Yeah, when I say me is a law-abiding citizen, so I'm not frightened for the new law.
You know. My viewers and subscribers, I'm there with a public commuter. And I try to find out what traffic act, how it impact the public with the new law and the fines them and all of these things.
Bad with the public.
Yeah.
Fitness then say 40,000 from 3,000 to
Yeah.
40,000.
From 3 to 40?
Yeah, that's
I have to go look on it because I don't really know something about so.
I saw them man there.
I saw them man I say. Well, I go do some interview, some investigation of my own to find out. Plus my public, my listenership, then me make me know still. But from 3 to 40.
40, that's a wicked man.
So
how them are money?
I know say no care how perfect it is. You must break the law somehow, somewhere.
Yes, you must break the law,
Yeah.
man, because this not right, man.
But this
travel with taxi, but
yeah.
you have sympathy, man. Come on, man. This
poor people thing, you know, man.
People thing.
We are the
This is
poor
a rich
people.
man thing.
Why? It's like it, that me I say.
How man will find 40,000 for fitness? How come?
40,000.
Wickedness, man.
So just basically them I tell you say, if you can't find the fitness fee, you're less than that, you know.
Right.
So if you can't find the fitness fee, you're gonna find 2 or 3 times the amount of it.
Alright.
So you better you find the fee more than pay the fine.
Alright.
Why may I tell you?
That's wickedness, man.
Alright, thanks for the reasoning, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I want to say how the new fine, the new transport authority fee and all of them something will come into place. The government fees them, how them affect on the organization going forward.
Well, we have a taxi association up as well, them dormant, brother.
Them dormant.
Yeah, man. The man need to cover the thing more. The man never welcome meet with me.
So,
all them improvements, everything the government are doing, none of them. Come and some boy come have a meeting and we discuss everything.
So, let me ask something. What is taxi association name?
St.Thomas Taxi Association, I have Eastern Taxi Association, brother. 2 of them.
So let me talk to a gentleman a while ago and him tell me say one of the fee moved from $3,000 to $40,000.
You don't know about that one?
You don't know about that one there. That me actually, but if somebody complain to him and I tell him that. So sometimes people just make up them things there.
Yeah, man.
But away from that, the fee them overall, them too much?
Them must too much, brother. Look, put taxi on the road.
Yeah.
Put taxi. Is everybody park up? No passengers. So man have money for pay for all of this, something, brother.
Yeah. And it's a poor people
and
thing.
this is a quarter of them, I'm saying.
Yeah.
This is a quarter of them, brother. So, what go on?
I don't know.
The passenger now move. Some man come and man a beg a driver, man shot. And everything a race man taxi business, brother. The government are coming to the whole heap of thing, you know.
So,
we don't know where to survive.
When we realize, they say, every time them want money, them turn towards the road.
Yeah, man, the road, man.
The road at all times.
There are some policemen, I tell you, brother, them are not hard, them are heartless.
Well, you know what me
taxi man, them are take set, man, brother. Well, you know, they don't want to for nothing, you know, the lazy thing are right there, right, you know.
Yeah, them not have no look warning, no look thing.
So,
yeah, some of you are so me there, I'm Morant there. Me there at the taxi stand and I talk to a taxi driver.
Yeah,
and,
man,
and the man say, the least little thing, a ticket.
Yeah, man, who man, the police, the least little thing, brother.
Them can't get no look of caution in, look of warning.
Go like a taxi man and enemy, brother. I tell you.
To the gentleman here, you have any message where you want to send out there to the authorities, like to tell them, say, this could have worked better, or that could have worked better?
Only for things, man.
Yeah.
But we want to know everything. They say they might go back a thing, so they might go a meeting.
Yeah.
So they say by next week we know what going on. So we can't tell everything finalized.
Okay. Alright. So I hope some good result come out of the meeting.
That we are working for. Even this child seat business and all for something.
Yes, me people are talking about that, the child seat thing.
Yeah,
to
man.
put child seats in our car.
Don't stop your picnic for so it go.
Well, that don't make sense, because you know you have to carry the kids them.
Oh, we carry them and we go charge them, right?
Yeah.
At 12 and they say if you in a car seat, you know, brother.
Well, I mean, I tell
so
you.
that's all though, we will make money.
So everywhere you turn.
You know how much one excess passenger nowadays, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that makes sense. You ready, Rasta? Move where I move.
Well, block for the girl them, February. The party I go look.
Speak with a driver here and him tell me how the new traffic law and traffic act affect
Port
him.
Morant, Peter, license, retreat.
Yeah.
So me have to come.
Go on.
Yeah,
now.
when me have say, me is a law-abiding citizen, so me not frightened for the new law.
You're not frightened for
But
the new law.
me want to know
Yeah.
if JUTC bus can seat, baby seat too.
Oh, you know, me never did think about that.
Yeah, me want to know if the JUTC bus Africa car seat with baby.
Yeah.
And that's my problem.
And me hear some people are complaining, some other driver.
Say back seat belt.
No, they must say so one of the fee they move from $3,000 to must say $30,000 or $40,000. I don't know for the fitness or one of them. So some ridiculous price. I don't know, you hear of that?
Yeah man, me hear about the price, I not even know how them work.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But I just say you're a law abiding.
yeah, so me just work with the law.
Yeah, so you don't have no issue with none of the things. Away from the child.
The child seat.
Yeah.
That's my main issue.
That's your main issue.
Yeah.
Because
And the law them, somebody find them, it's just a money making thing. I don't know law of the curb nothing.
yeah,
I just to make money.
I just make a money.
Yeah, cause if police are go give you a tick, I go stop. You can create accident.
Yeah.
Why the fine of it so high?
Okay.
If the police can't stop that.
Yeah.
So you see, I just to make money.
I just make money.
Yeah. That's all me have to say.
All right. Blessings.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, every time.
As subscriber, me I ask the gentleman how the new traffic law, traffic act affect him, affect the taxi drivers on the road.
It affect the whole away.
Yeah.
Because you as a leader in this
One
country,
already.
Yeah.
You go the big man.
you're not supposed to make no man a dictate to you and tell you
on,
what you have to do with poor people.
Yeah.
I see him say in 1972 when Michael Malley in a power,
Yeah.
and that's why I'm in last election to Siago,
Yeah.
because he was doing good for the poor people.
Yeah.
And when you take a step here to him and tell him how him for run the country.
Yeah.
So I know Andrew Wallace I take instruction from no advisor.
Yeah.
And him supposed to come out and do what he have to do.
Yeah.
Right? Because this not ready. So
Well,
he have to correct that.
You have to correct that. So
Yeah.
the one about the child restraining at the back seat.
That is totally madness.
Yeah.
That is totally madness. That's not
Totally-
ready.
That's not ready.
So the law where I put on him pressure poor people.
Yeah.
And the whole way born in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Saying so if he look into himself and change the law.
Yeah.
Because the law not ready yet.
You're not ready yet.
Yeah. So tell him say me.
Yeah.
Look for my face, just come to me and ask me
Yeah.
personal and me tell him how to run the country.
All right.
Because if him don't stop that, crime can't stop.
Okay.
All right.
Blessings. Some viewers and subscribers, I'm here with a taxi driver. And which one of the taxi company you're representing at St.Thomas?
Well, I Western, you know.
The Western. And the question is, we want to know how the new traffic act, traffic law and the ticket and the finding, how them affect you guys out in the street.
Well, you see the ticket and the fine them.
Yeah.
Me don't really see nothing wrong with it because I have to curb the traffic law up on the road and less accident and thing.
Yeah.
But then come in with that thing you know about the baby.
Yeah, and that me everybody a talk about
Yeah,
the baby
because
something.
if you ever catch your baby, you have to have 3 baby seat.
Lord.
That's not possible.
And-
And in America, like from 1 to 6 year old use baby seat.
Yeah.
And in our little last world country like Jamaica, because we are not in third world, we are last world.
Yeah.
And you have it to 1 to 12.
Yeah.
That
1 to
no
12.
work.
1 to 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have to use car seat. So what I know, as far as when I see all our baby mother and the people then get licked.
No,
Now we
no.
can't carry them because we don't have baby
But
seat in there.
one of the taxi driver them say something important to me. Him say, if JUTC having any.
No, well, the line go for the government, you know, for the poor people, if you notice the line.
Okay.
Because back in the days, it was Parbogle that caused the police to come here, you know.
Yeah.
So the police didn't come here to protect the poor and needy.
Yeah.
They come to protect the heads of government and the politicians them and the rich people. Them. They not did everywhere.
Okay.
So nobody not did they look for we are run taxi.
Okay.
You understand what I say?
So when me say you as a like you're a part of a company, a taxi company, you see?
Yeah.
You can lobby the government and say what you know, roll back this now, this don't make sense. You know,
Well, you could have talk about if the government now take no talk.
Okay. And subscriber, me have some kids here, and me walk through the taxi stand and I walk through the town of Morant. Me ask how the new traffic law and traffic act affect people in general. Come close to her. So, we don't really have no vehicle. But when you hear people say, especially about the child restraint one, when you hear people say about that one there.
You can't attack. I feel like the traffic something like the school as them and know go school to get long. So for instance, they left my be at 8 o'clock, then I just school until 10 o'clock because I traffic. The road needs to fix because I just school here and they might miss up more than 2 sessions.
Okay, so
I like the road them, we don't have license there so.
Yeah.
The bad like terrible and like 2 weeks, 2 years now, like they are fixing us and no it not done like that's stupid.
It's just stupid. So you don't have anything you want to shout out like on the Instagram, on the teacher name?
Yes.
And then things?
Shout out to Miss Hamilton, IB Shara and TikTok.
Alright, you see that. Look at our people.
You can follow me TikTok at Sanika Guinness.
Alright, Sanika Guinness.
Zoe _ Blessed for Life on Instagram, my YouTube page, My Life as Nana.
Yeah.
And my TikTok, the real _ Zoe 1.
Alright, and you hear the kids speak. Peace. And subscriber, me there. Morant Bay, me there at the taxi stand. And you know the taxi them traverse from here, them go Bath, Prospect, Lethal, Dalby. Them go all over the place down here. Them refer to down here like them say down here at the gully. Like them call along the side, but I really over that side when I look, I really the taxi stand. But most of the taxi man them company outside, I don't know why. But them must say the part about the child restraining seat thing in the back seat, them must say it not appropriate, them not agree with it, and none of the taxi man them don't really like it. Yeah, my viewers and sub, Big Super, I'm out here at the taxi stand speaking with the taxi driver them, and the taxi driver them I make them voice be heard.